Why nempewe? Go here, ya. Shibianoya. Yemfa san tonwa dear. Asemunwa betchero. How to answer? Beautiful young lady who fair. Banim kasa. We Bekasa Akyr3. To my friend, they also yes, my love. Asem no kasa. They want to say the piano awadi aye. And I'm saying Ghana mananti apu Asem. Boys, I see your life. Young boy, I'm sorry, of chintu, abu be back to Ekuno. Umtimi fetu, as a coca and mkafatu in the break. No master camera, so no more load phone. Police in Ibia named the 5 rules of a firearm or of a gun. Number 1 rule: point the weapon to a safe position. Number 1 rule: point the weapon to a safe position. In Tafekra now the magazine Bishimukranwa, you a way you do it. Tiamfatum irresponsible people sense. But Danny Tuno racking the gun, Sana a pointed to the girl. Mistakenly, the firearm goes off. Umamiti fear is soon adia brewomame. Uabofra ketua nu onyinte said me wafazi ne ho anika na fe wa start so nante na otojom na okona utwa ne picture is beautiful be unu sa fe odru 4 corner e ho na questions ne start, you know, what is this? God remember me ye hwan, God ne wafa ye hwan, no bisa questions and all that. Ne ho ye anika obedru be se 20 15 equal 20 no na wadane wadanfo unini din komo ye Sabre ni mwana sister ya we abidru agbele follow abodi tu ekuno ene de ya wa breye. Yeah, the Bible said obone betwi waso, Jeremiah 2:19. Onsan ye chiri betwi anim hwene hunu se ja we je urade eni nyame huhu a wunninti o se saade ne so aba ya awerefo saade so abaya a cowboy see to me say atade e sha abaye utime hu no say ne maame ne papa woma ye biara but wo no person upon nokora. I'm telling you, sometimes don't blame the parents too much. They have done what they know to do. Wo ban wan watia homa no upon nokora.